Hey guys, I will show you in this tutorial how to get a Roblox Fisch mod menu that will allow you to get unlimited money, an auto clicker, so you'll be able to auto fish, dupe, auto farm, and so much more. This works for mobile and PC, but it's an app you will get for free on your iOS or Android device. Then within the app you can have the option to connect it over to your PC, but you must get the app on phone first. As you can see, I'm using it here and it works amazing. I have all the features that are the best, and the best part, it's completely free and you don't have to spend any money on a key or anything. So let me show you all how to get it. So now that I showed you guys the app and that it works, I will now show you guys all how to download the app very easily and fast. But before I show you guys how to install it, if you're on iOS or iPhone device, we have to change some settings in our phone really quick before you can download it. If you're on Android, you don't have to change any settings, only iOS devices have to make the changes. So first go into your battery settings and make sure low power mode is turned off. This is very important and can mess up the install if you leave it on. After we get the app, you can revert all your settings back to normal, so don't worry, it's just for the install. Then after you guys turn off low power mode, go into general settings, then find background app refresh option, and make sure you have it turned on to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. It cannot be off. If it's off, it can also mess up the install. Okay, anyways guys, and now ready to get our app installed. So what you guys have to do is go to this website called pluginsurf.com. This site has a bunch of tweaked apps and games that we can download for free without needing a jailbreak or anything complicated. So once you're on the site, go to the search bar on the site and type in Fisch mod menu. Now tap the app and then click the button that says start installation on the pop. Then once it loads, there will be one last step we must do. So you will see something like this pop up. So before you can use the full app, you will have to complete 2 plugins from the list. Basically, for the app to fully run and load, it needs this, and it is required for the app to work. But it's simple. You just tap the app or plugin and read the instructions and do exactly as it says. Then once you've done one, you go back and do one more, because you have to do 2 for it to count. But some of them are really easy, like for example this TikTok one that wants us to just download the app and run it for 30 seconds. Some of them also have different instructions, like this Travel Town one, where it wants us to complete a task in the game and get to like a certain level. But whatever plugin file you choose, just make sure you do exactly as the instructions say and do 2 of them. But once you complete the instructions of 2 of them, then it will pop up that the app is now installing exactly like this. As you can see, it's saying I successfully did 2 plugin files, and now it's saying it's going to finish downloading the full plugin file to my phone, which is great news. Also, if you don't see this, it might say error and it might ask you to redo it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.